Higgsfield.ai is back once again, and they're dropping one of the biggest AI launches of 2025. This time, it's a full partnership with Google, bringing us something truly game-changing. Introducing Nano Banana Pro, a next-gen image engine powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model. This model is built for control, clarity, and perfect structure. It automatically fixes broken anatomy, weird faces, bad composition, and even unreadable text before you ever see the image. And yes, everything now renders in beautiful 4K. Nano Banana Pro nails celebrities, real cities, packaging, UI, and even complex diagrams and equations, thanks to its advanced reasoning engine. Stable characters, perfectly readable text, accurate object counts. Cleaner, smarter, more consistent outputs. And here's the crazy part. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 whole year. This is the model everyone will be talking about. Now, let me show you exactly how it works inside Higgsfields.ai website.
First thing you do, you go to your Chrome browser, then you go to your search bar and you search for Higgsfield.ai. That is the correct spelling right there, Higgsfield.ai. Then you go on and head on to the website. So yeah, if you are not logged in, do well to log in, or if this is the first time for you, create an account on the Higgsfield.ai website. Then you can click on the middle button and we are going for Nano Banana Pro. So you click on it, then you are going to choose the image that you are going to be using, the sample image. So I will go on to my internal storage and I will pick an image from my storage. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and write the prompt. Yeah, so it will be the guy removing his hands from his face, then also revealing his face as Brad Pitt. So you go on and click on Unlimited. You select your quality. We have 1K, 2K, and 4K. Then I'm also going to choose your aspect ratio. I will leave it at auto. Then you go ahead and generate the image. So I'll pause and continue the video. So you can see it's finished generating exactly what we asked for. So I'm going to try yet another sample. So I'll go back to the Nano Banana Pro. I will select an image. Alright, so I'll select an image from my list of sample images. Then I'll go ahead and still paste in or type in a prompt. Okay, so you'll be disassembling the car parts. So you go ahead and choose your quality once again. Aspect ratio is still on auto. So you wait for some time. Okay, it started generating, and pause and play, then we will get our results. And you can see our results, exactly what we asked for, perfectly displayed. You can see all the parts are accounted for. Very nice, very realistic. And this is another generation of the image. So you can see it looks very realistic. It blended the skin tone with the face of Brad Pitt. It looks hyper realistic. So I'll still go on and create another sample. So still going to choose the sample image. Okay, I'm using this one. So this one will be very easy. Just to show you how it pays attention to details, I'm going to make it zoom in the image 100 times. So as per usual, 2K quality, leaving it at auto aspect ratio. Then it loads and you can see how realistic it is. The water drop, the reflection, everything is pitch perfect. and you can see the past image that generated. And yes, this one I used for the thumbnail, and you can see the prompt replacing the faces on Mount Rushmore with my selected faces. So guys, I would really recommend you to go on the Higgsfield.ai website and be creative. The limit is your imagination. And do not forget that Higgsfield is offering 1 year free Nano Banana Pro generations for those who register through Monday, November 24th. And as you can see in this graph, they offer the best prices on the market. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your notification to see when I drop new videos. Thank you.